Talofa and namaste from beautiful Samoa. Today we're going to balance our right and left brain hemispheres, balancing our nervous system with a breathing technique called alternate nostril breathing. And this balancing technique is also known as Nadi Shodhana in Sanskrit. To balance our nervous system with this simple breath, I would recommend taking this breath every hour to reset your nervous system, especially if you feel anxious, if you feel nervous, if you feel a lack of energy, and if you lack motivation. We'll take our right hand, bending our index and middle fingers. Bring your ring finger and your thumb to the top of your nose bridge. Rest your left hand, index finger, and thumb to touch on the top of your left knee. Close the eyes. And without closing off the cartilage, just feel your thumb and your forefinger of your right hand gently resting on the space between nose bridge or cartilage and the soft tissue of your nose. See if you can feel which side of your nose or nostrils is more open and is more dominant. And if you don't know, that's okay. We're going to close and block with our ring finger, the left nostril. Inhale through the right. Close and block. Gentle retention here. And exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Close and block. Gentle retention. Exhale through the right. Again, inhale through the right. Gentle retention. Exhale through the left. Inhale 1 count. Close and block. Gentle retention. Exhale through the right. Take that 2 more times on your own. Looking at the ratio 1, 1, 1. 1 count to inhale, 1 to retain, 1 to exhale. As you progress, you may stretch the ratio to 1, 4, 2. 1 count to inhale, 4 counts to retain, 2 counts to exhale. The next time you exhale through the left nostril, no rush at all. Lower your right hand, index finger and thumb to touch and rest it on the back of your knee. Keep the eyes closed and notice any subtle shifts, any differences you might be feeling in your mind and in your body. Gently draw your chin to your chest. Half blink the eyes open and take in your surroundings. Press the palms to the heart and lower the head as a symbol of gratitude, knowing that you can take this breath technique at any time. Thank yourself and thank you. You can follow along by hitting that subscribe button and following along for more tips and tools on how to balance your nervous system. Namaste.